Good morning, dear student. Again, welcome you all in our YouTube channel. Today we will read our new story, The Thief's Story. This story is written by Ruskin Bond. First of all, let us know about Ruskin Bond. Who was Ruskin Bond? And some of his important work also. So, Ruskin Bond is born in 19 May 1934. He is an Indian author of British origin. He lives with his adopted family in Mussoorie, India. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. He was awarded the Sahitya Academy Award in 1992 for his work Our Trees Still Grow in Dhara. This is his novel, which is written in English. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and also Padma Bhushan in 2014. Some of his famous works are Our Trees Still Grow in Dhara, A Flight of Pigeons, The Blue Umbrella. These are some of his famous work. Now let us know about the story, about the summary of the story. Here in this story there is a character whose name is Hari Singh, and he is a thief by profession. He was only 15 years of age, and one day he met Anil while watching a wrestling match. Anil was a kind-hearted person, and Anil took Hari to his room over Jamuna sweet shop, and he allowed Hari, who wanted a work, to him, and Anil allowed Hari to work as a cook for him. But Hari Singh was not a perfect cook, so the thing which was made by Hari Singh was not very good. Anil fed it to the stray dog, but being a kind-hearted person, he did not insult Hari Singh, whom he understood that he was not a cook. Instead, he promised him to teach him how to cook. So, in this way, both became very familiar with each other, and Anil also teach Hari how to write and read. Anil was a struggling writer also, and who made money irregularly. He trusted Hari to the extent that he had given him a key to the door. One evening, Anil returned with a bundle of notes he got from a publisher and placed them under his mattress while sleeping. Hari, who was noticed all these things, in the early morning he reached there, and he took out the whole money and planned to catch the Lucknow Express at 10:30. Though he reached the station in time, yet he did not board the train. He felt uneasy at robbing the only generous man he knew. He felt guilty for breaking Anil's faith. Then Hari Singh returns the whole money to Anil, but not in direct way. He returned it very silently. He opened the door silently and put the money on its right place. In this way he returned it. Next day in the morning, when Anil had already prepared tea by that time, Hari woke up. He gave Hari a 50 rupee note, promising he would pay him regularly by this time. Though Anil knew about the theft, yet he did not insult or punish Hari, because he knew Hari had realized his blunder. So, now there is also a message which has been given in this story. The message is that it is so much difficult to rob a kind and trusted man. It is easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed. But it is difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he does not even notice he has been robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of the work. This is the main idea, main theme of this story also. Now let us read the story. The story is in this way. I was still a thief when I met Anil, and though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. So the writer is describing about himself that he was a thief and he was only 15 years of age at that time, but he was very experienced type of a thief and he always successful in all his effort. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. When he approached Anil, at that time he was watching a wrestling match. Which type of match? He was watching a wrestling match. He was about 25, a tall, lean fellow. Lean means weak. He was a very weak but a tall and a good fellow, and he looked easygoing, kind and simple enough for my purpose. He was looking so very easygoing. Easygoing means सीधा साधा दिखाई दे रहा था, and simple enough for my purpose, and he was very simple for my purpose. His purpose was to rob that person. That was the purpose of Hari Singh. I hadn't had much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. And the thief was thinking that he was easily won the confidence of this young person. So he reached to the young person and meet him. The name of the young person was Anil and the name of the thief was Hari Singh. You look at a bit of wrestler yourself, I said. A little flattery helps in making friends. So that is a trick to make a friend. You have to do some flattery. मीन्स चापलूसी, थोड़ी बहुत आपको चापलूसी करनी पड़ेगी इफ़ यू वांट टू मेक ए फ्रेंड टू समवन हु इज़ अननोन फॉर यू. If you want to make a friendship with such a type of person, you have to do some flattery. So he did a little flattery, and by this flattery he was able to win him as a friend. So do you, he replied, which put me off for a moment because at that time I was rather thin. But the answer which was replied by Mr. Anil was not very enthusiastic for me, because he said that so do you means आप भी पहलवान जैसे ही लगते हैं. Such a type of reply has been given by Mr. Anil, and I was so thin at that time that was not perfect for me. Well, I said modestly, I do wrestle a bit. But the thief said that I do wrestle a bit, I know wrestling, but not very perfectly, but a little bit. What's your name? So the Anil asked the name of the thief, and the thief told his name as Hari Singh. He again speak a lie. He lied at that time. I took a new name every month, and he always took a new name every month because it was belonged to his, it was suit to his profession that he would have to change his name every time to keep him ahead of the police and his former employees also. So he always changed his name. So he changed his name, and he told him that his name was Hari Singh. After this introduction, Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestler who were gruntling. After this talk, he started to talk about a wrestler who was gruntling. Gruntling means it is a type of a low short sound like animal. गुर्राना जिसको कहेंगे. Lifting and throwing each other about. I did not have much to say Anil walked away. I followed casually. After this talk, Anil walked away from there, and Hari Singh also followed him very casually, in a very casual way. Casual means in a very normal way. Hello, again he said. He again said hello. I gave him my most appealing smile. I want to work for you, I said, but I can't pay you. And now Hari Singh again asked him to give him a work, but Anil said that I am not able to pay you for the work. So what the replied of the person Hari Singh was, I thought that over for the minute, perhaps I had misjudged my man. Now Hari Singh said that I thought about it, that without pay, without payment, how can I work for him? And he also thought that he was just the person not perfectly, because he was thinking that he was a very rich man, but when he said that he was not able to pay him any type of money, so Hari Singh thought that he was not a very rich person. So he said that I had misjudged my man. I asked, can you feed me? Then Hari Singh asked, can you give me some food every day? And for this question, Anil asked a question again, can you cook? Then he said, I can cook. I lied again. This was also a lie. He was not a perfect cook. He cannot cook. But Hari Singh said that I can cook. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. If you cook perfectly, then I can certainly feed you. He took me to his room over the Jamuna sweet shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony. And then we reached into the house of Anil, which was situated over the Jamuna sweet shop, and he asked me to sleep on the balcony. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible. And then Hari Singh described about the meal which was made by him, and he said that the meal was very terrible. It was not very perfect, because terrible, horrible, not very good. Because why it was very terrible? Because Anil gave it to a stray dog. Because Anil gave this food to a stray dog. Stray dog means street dog, and told me to be off, and asked me to go away. But I just hung around. But the thief was not ready to go from there, so he just hung around here and there. वो इधर उधर मंडराता रहा, smiling in my most appealing way, and he could not help laughing. और इस बात को देख करके वो भी हंसे बिना नहीं रह सका. कौन? अनिल. He could not help laughing. He patted me on the head and said, never mind, you teach me to cook. Then later he patted his head also and asked Hari Singh that he also teach him in which way we can cook a perfect food. He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences and to add numbers. He also promised him that he would also teach him how to write the name and in which way we can create and write and read the whole sentences, and also to add numbers. All these things he promised that he will teach him. I was grateful. Hari Singh was very grateful for him. He was very showing gratitude. Gratefulness, show gratitude. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. और वह कहता है कि अगर मैं एक बार ये सब चीज़ें सीख गया, I could write like an educated man. If I been able to write like an educated person, then there would be no limit what I could achieve. फिर यहाँ पर मेरी उपलब्धियों की कोई सीमा नहीं होगी। जो वर्क वो कर रहा था, द वर्क विच हैज़ बीन डन बाय दैट पर्सन, देयर वुड बी नो लिमिट ऑफ हिज अचीवमेंट। फिर वो उसके अंदर बड़ी बड़ी उपलब्धियाँ हासिल कर लेगा, यानी बड़ी बड़ी थीव्स, बड़ी बड़ी रॉबरी करने में वो सक्सेसफुल हो जाएगा। इफ़ ही नो हाउ टू राइट, हाउ टू रीड एंड हाउ टू add numbers, if he became educated at that time, he would be able in his field, he would be successful in his field. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. He is saying that it was very pleasant to work for Anil because he was a very good and kind-hearted person, so it was very pleasant to work such a type of person. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies, usually making a profit of about ₹1 a day. And what was his work? He made tea in the morning time, and after that he went to the market to purchase something, or to purchase some food supplies, and by this way he earned a profit of ₹1 every day. And I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. And Hari Singh also said that Anil knew that I am making profit in this way, but he never mind this thing. Now come on the next page. Anil made money by fits and starts. Anil was not a person who regularly earned money. Fits and starts means unsystematically, not regularly. कभी कभार ही उसको पैसे मिल पाते थे. He would borrow 1 week, lend the next. 1 week he would borrow some money from any person and then lend it in the next week. In this way he was doing his work. He kept worrying about his next check. He always worried about his next check, कि मेरा अगला चेक कब आएगा, इसके बारे में उसे हमेशा चिंता रहती थी, वह परेशान रहा करता था. But as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. But as soon as his check arrived, he celebrated this thing, this event, in a very enthusiastic way. It seems he wrote the magazines a queer way to make a living. It looked that he wrote some articles in magazines in a very queer means in a very strange way. वो आर्टिकल लिखा करता था मैगजीन्स के लिए, ऐसा उसके बारे में राइटर को लगता है. One evening he came home with a small bundle of notes saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. And that was the incident of one evening. He came to the room with a small bundle of notes and said that he sold a book to a publisher. At night I saw him tuck the money under the mattress, and at that night Hari Singh also observed that he tucked the money, he kept the money under the mattress. उसने मनी को कहाँ रख दिया था? मैट्रेस के नीचे रख दिया था. ऐसा हरी सिंह ने उस रात को नोटिस किया. I had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, had not done anything in my line of work. And Hari Singh was saying that he was working for Anil almost a month, and he only cheat in his daily routine of shopping, but that was only cheating I have done for Anil. इसके अलावा उसने कोई किसी भी तरीके की चीटिंग अनिल के साथ अभी तक नहीं की थी. I had ever opportunity of doing so. Anil had given me a key to the door, and I could come and go as I pleased. Or Anil also gave him a key of the door, and by the using of this key, he can easily come and out according to his pleasure. He was the most trusting person I had ever met, and Hari Singh said that he was the most trusting person I had ever met. ऐसा पहला व्यक्ति था जिससे वह मिला था, जिसने उसके ऊपर इतना ट्रस्ट किया था, इतना विश्वास किया था, एंड दैट इज़ वाई इट वॉज सो डिफ़िकल्ट टू रॉब हिम, एंड दैट वॉज द रीज़न that it was so difficult for him to rob such a type of person. Why it was difficult? Because he was a trusting person. It's easy to rob a greedy man. Again, Hari Singh said that it is very easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed, because they always afford to robbed. वो हमेशा capable enough to robbed, हमेशा इतने समर्थ होते हैं कि उनको आसानी से लूटा जा सकता है. बट इट्स डिफ़िकल्ट टू रॉब ए केयरलेस मैन, बट इट इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू रॉब सच ए टाइप ऑफ केयरलेस मैन like Anil. Sometimes he does not even notice he has been robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of the work. और कई बार ऐसा होता है कि ऐसे केयरलेस मैन इस बात पर कोई नोटिस ही नहीं देते, इस बात पर कोई ध्यान ही नहीं देते कि उनको रॉब्ड कर लिया गया है, उनको लूट लिया गया है, और इस तरीके से रॉबरी का जो प्लेजर होता है, ऐसे लोगों को लूटने में फिर वो प्लेजर, फिर वो आनंद नहीं मिलता. Well, it's time I did some real work, I told myself. Then Hari Singh decided that he robbed Anil this time. I am out of practice. He would rob Anil this time, and I am out of practice, and if I don't take the money, he will only waste it on his friends. After all, he does not even pay me. और वह जानता था कि अगर उसने चोरी नहीं की, अगर उसने पैसे को नहीं चुराया, तो वो अनिल जो है ही वेस्ट ऑल हिज मनी ऑन हिज फ्रेंड, वो अपना सारा पैसा अपने फ्रेंड पे लुटा देगा. आफ्टर ऑल ही डजंट इवन पे मी, एंड that was also a reason that he even doesn't pay him any type of money, any type of payment. So but he also said that I am out of practice. He was out of practice means उसकी प्रैक्टिस छूट गई थी रॉबरी की, लेकिन फिर भी वो उसको रॉब करना चाहता था. बट इवन ही वांट टू रॉब अनिल, एंड he started his plan, and what would happen after it, you will read in the second part of the story. Thank you.